Hello everybody, my name is Dillix and welcome back to a tech video. So the last one I did was about 3 years ago, which was showing you how to improve Windows 10 performance in 2020. Now I'm going to show you how to do it, but this time on Windows 11 in 2023. There will be some additional steps in this video, so do take note of those. First of all, we're going to do Windows and R, and get this box come up. In this box, we're going to type TEMP and then press enter. You see all of these caching files which your Windows operating system no longer needs. We do Control A, or you can just select all of them and press the delete key. If this box comes up, click on Disks for current items and click skip. Next, we're going to do the same thing, but this time putting 2 extra symbols. So percentage, TEMP percentage. We're going to put percentage before and after the same word. You'll see a lot more files, most probably. You want to highlight all those and delete. I've got almost a gigabyte sitting here. I just started boots. This just will increase boot times, by the way. So you're going to want to disable free download manager, for example. I mean, of course, just go through them, but of course, don't turn off noise suppression, for example, because some of these may actually be important. Okay, next, I'm going to be showing you basic things that everyone should know how to do. So you can rather use uninstall tool, which is a paid for program. So I'm going to show you how to do the free method. Press Windows key, and here we're going to want to type the following. Settings. Just settings, or if you'd rather, you can just literally just type add or remove programs. There you go. So now let's got this open. We're going to full screen it. So here you'll see, of course, all the programs you have on your drives. Now, local disk C is the one we're going to be scanning for, just so we don't delete something on the other drive, which doesn't really matter. So now we're going to want to go and see if there's anything here which I don't want anymore. You might have more than one antivirus installed. Never disable Windows Security or Defender, but I'm going to tell you now that you don't need 2. So because I have seen some people with, let's say, McAfee, Avast, I've even seen Norton McAfee, just basically any antivirus, some people install 2 antiviruses. That's going to do you more bad than good. The reason for that is because, of course, having multiple antiviruses installed or malware solutions, cybersecurity solutions installed in your system will be that, to be completely honest with you, you don't need 2. Only one of them will actually do their job properly, and of course, the more they can also use up quite a lot of system resources at peak times. So of course, you only need 1. So just look up a virus comparison, antivirus comparison, see which one you really need, and then go and delete that. But I only have Bitdefender installed, and so yeah, that'll be good. That'll be fine. So this bit will only be if you're using an AMD GPU. If you're using Intel or an integrated one or NVIDIA, you can look those up, but it should be fairly similar process. AMD is probably the most straightforward to do, so we're going to be resetting the shader cache. So you want to right click on the AMD software, go to settings and graphics, scroll down. Keep scrolling until you see reset shader cache. AMD is probably the easiest to do it on, so just click that and click OK. And the last thing, of course, is deleting anything from your desktop. I've got a clear folder, so I'm going to delete that later. But basically, delete anything for your desktop, and especially anything for your downloads folder. Now, of course, everyone's downloads folder is private. Anyway, the point is, you want to go into your downloads folder and delete any files which you already have installed. So any maybe game installers from maybe the Warzone installer, if you have that, or just something, or maybe the Epic Games launcher installer. Basically, you can delete those, and then you can go and edit. And once you've done this, you want to right-click your recycle bin and click on empty. One last thing we're going to be doing, press your Windows key, and type power plan. I've not done this in a while. So you want to click on choose a power plan. Right now, I'm on ultimate performance. I'll be showing you how to enable that now. So then, to be able to actually get ultimate performance on your system, you'll probably only see maybe an AMD one, maybe an NVIDIA one, but power save at high performance and balance should be the only ones you should see. So high performance is probably the one I recommend if you're on a laptop, but if you're on the high-end PC system, I've not really seen much of a difference between these two, but I'll be showing how to enable it if you wanted to. Press the Windows key and you can type PowerShell or CMD, either one should work. You want to make sure you're running it as administrator. You want to copy this, which I'll be putting in a description. Copy this, don't write it safe, and then you just to paste it in, you just want to single right click. Well, it should work. Let's try that again. So basically, you want to single right click. Oh, that'll be why. Right, single right click. There you go, and just press enter. You should now see if you've done it successfully. Power scheme GYD, and then brackets ultimate performance. You'll now see ultimate performance. You can now switch to ultimate performance. One very last thing we want to do is, of course, because those programs you've installed may still have cache on your system. So go to temp and just make sure all these are deleted. As you can see, we have some cache there. And do the same thing. Prefetch you shouldn't need to clear as often. So there we go, clear that. And there we go. So then before we end this video, press Windows key, press power, and you want to restart your system. Make sure you've saved everything, because also, by the way, just so you know as well, a shutdown will not properly shut down your system. Restart will. So basically, don't shut it down and then press the power button to turn it back on again. Press the restart button. That'll properly turn off the system. But yeah, anyway, that was it for this video. That's how to improve Windows 11, 10, 7, performance 2023, and probably for the foreseeable future. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section down below. One last thing as well, is if you've been on my channel before, you probably know I mainly do I stick to aviation stuff, but I am trying to expand to more technology as well, but I'm just trying to do mainly aviation. So whenever I can't get an aviation video released, I'll try and do a technology one. Anyway, let me know if you have any questions, and feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.